Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be giving you guys every single thing you need in your school emergency kit. Now, I actually filmed this video in the beginning of first semester, but as I was cleaning out my computer, I accidentally deleted all the clips to this video, and by that time it was well off into first semester, so I decided to just wait until second semester to make this video again. This way I can actually show you guys what you will need, because these are the things that help me. I did have some things in my pouch that I feel like I didn't even touch last semester, so this is like the perfect timing to make a new video and a video with actual information. So now all that talk is out the way, let's actually get into the video and the things that you'll need. Okay, so this is my pouch. I think this is like one of those bags that come with purses. You can use a makeup bag, a pencil bag, it doesn't really matter. You just make sure it can hold all the things. But we're gonna start off with all the like lady products, because those are like the main things that I have in my bag. Starting off with some pads. Obviously we're gonna need to carry some pads. I have two of these like regular ones. I also carry some of these smaller ones for those days where you know you're gonna be off your period soon, because nobody wants to wear a big pad when they're almost off their period. Next, I have some Advil. Now, I don't really have that bad of cramps, but last thing I want is to have cramps during school, so I carry these. And not only is it for me, but you know, girls will always ask you if you have some, so that's why I also carry them. Lastly, on the like lady care stuff, we have these pink pads. Now, these are for when like my cramps are really bad. These ones are up to 8 hours, which is perfect. Lasts me through the whole school day when I use these. Next thing I have in my little pouch is some tissue. Obviously, I'm gonna need some of these, especially because everybody's been sick lately. These ones are from Target. They come in like a pack of 4 for like $1. So obviously I had to get some, but each little one does only have like 10 tissues. Next thing I have in here, which everybody clowns me for using, is this body all over Vaseline. This one I use specifically just for my lips, so I look kind of like silly just using it on my lips. Now I know some people are like Aquifer people, but I don't know. I tried using Aquifer and it just made my face peel so bad, so I'm gonna stick with my Vaseline. You may want to carry like your own travel size lotion, deodorant, or perfume in your little bag. Personally, I carry like those in a full size and carry it in my backpack, so I don't carry them like a travel size in my pouch. Oh my gosh. Next, I have this hand sanitizer. Now, this is a spray hand sanitizer. I love using the spray one. I feel like it lasts me so much longer than like the gel ones, because like gel, I just like squeeze it all out, use it up, and the cases are so small. But this is in the scent Champagne Toast, and this one is from Bath and Body Works. I'm pretty sure they always have like deals for you to get like more than one at a time. I have two little hair ties on here. These ones are really stretchy. I keep them on here so that whenever I need a hair tie, I'll always have a spare in my pouch. Next thing you're gonna need is a little type of floss kit. This one I got from Walmart. It was like 97 cents, but it just comes with like floss on this side, and then the other side also like the stick kind of floss. But I used those all of last semester. I'm telling you, you need some floss. Last thing you want to do is be in class trying to get food out your mouth. Like, trust me, you're gonna need some floss. And on this side, I just have some bobby pins, and I also have one bobby pin with like mini hair ties on it, because I always find myself needing mini hair ties or bobby pins. There's also like a little hole right here in this like floss area, and sometimes I do put like maybe a pill in there for like when my stomach is gonna hurt. I keep one in there. Next thing I keep in my pouch is some acne patches. Now, these ones I got from Marshall's, I think. I don't remember this brand specifically, but they have like different sizes. I don't really use these as like acne clearing patches, but I use them kind of like as acne blemishing patches to like cover up my acne. Last thing I keep in my pouch are some band-aids. Now, I know most of the time teachers have them in their class, but personally I hate asking for things, so I carry some of my own. So that's everything that I keep in my pouch. I hope that if you guys haven't started your own pouch, or you do have one and you don't know what to put in it, that this video helped you. But that's all for my video. I hope you guys found it somewhat helpful for you guys. Thank you guys for watching.